Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to my channel 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install OpenIV offline version. The website is not working for a while now, so this is going to be a quick, easy, step-by-step tutorial on how you can download and install it. Before we get started, I would like to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. So let's get started. OpenIV is not working. To make this work, we're gonna download OpenIV file directly from my Discord server. So there's gonna be a link in the description. Hop over to it so you can go to my Discord. Don't forget you need to be subscribed to the channel or else you won't be accepted in the Discord server. So let's hop over to my Discord. Okay, this is my Discord server right here. As you can see, we also have some giveaways. Let's see here, and we also have a support page. You can ask anything you want, you will be helped. For this tutorial, we're going to go to the GTA resources section, and we're going to go to OpenIV setup. We're just going to hit download, and it will download automatically. Okay, and after that, you can go to your downloads, and you can actually open it up. And from here on out, you can actually just proceed to the steps, make it download it, and wait for it. Okay, after you wait, you're just going to hit accept and agree and continue, and then you can choose your destination location for where you want to install it. And after that it's installed, it's that easy, folks. And I want to keep it a quick and easy tutorial on this, so that's it. You can hit continue here and it will work. Enough about that. Let's let me know in the feedback if it worked for you or not. It will probably, but if you encounter any other issues after that, yeah, open up a support ticket and we will gladly help you out. So besides that, you want OpenIV maybe because you're installing 𝐿SPDFR or something, check my channel out. I have a full tutorial, 40 minutes from installing 𝐿SPDFR to all the necessary plugins to make everything as fun as possible. I'm talking about Stop the Pet, PC police computer, ultimate backup, ALPR, all the callouts, most of the callouts, the callouts manager. So that's going to make it an amazing experience for you guys. Check out that tutorial. I also have the short version that's only 12 minutes. That's just simply installing 𝐿SPDFR and the necessary files for it. Besides that, I also show some custom maps you can install, custom cars, add-ons, car, fully packed cars, police cars, and anything else you might need. So check it all out. Maybe you'll like something. Let me know if you like it and leave me some feedback. Thank you all for watching, and yeah, goodbye.